Kelechi, are you trying to tell me you arrived the village last night?
Yes, so I didn't even know you were still around.
Of course I'm still around. I still have an unfinished business here in the village. Though I've struck the deal, but I still have to finish it up.
Don't tell me you're talking about tomorrow.
Kele.
This guy says, how do you mean you have struck the deal? Nelson, don't tell me you have slept with that girl.
Bingo.
Ha! Nelson. What kind of jar did you use on that girl? Huh? I mean, how did you manage to humble that very girl?
That is because you don't know me. You don't know me. See, let me tell you, Kelechi. I'm a badass nigga, dude. Badass one, I'm telling you.
Indeed, you have found yourself a wife. Obiabawam. Nelson. So it's a one.
Pieces.
Hey! It's a one.
Pieces.
Huh? Nelson. So you should know all the way from town. But over that, that my GIAka, Napoa. Tapianwa.
That's not true.
Oh, Yabadia.
Nah, all that you bring the food now. Come. Hey. Nah, Papa. I won't wait for all that to be done.
Amen.
No, I just want to eat so that I'll go and sleep. Early to bed, early to rise.
You know, I don't like rice.
Papa, don't worry. Eat. Tomorrow I'll cook your favorite. Oh?
Thank you.
You'll be saying this, you don't like
I'm happy you are back.
Papa, if you don't like this rice, just go inside and sleep.
People needed to see what happened today.
What?
Hey! If you see what I saw today.
What did you see?
Run.
What happened?
I saw one man vomiting earlier today. I'm afraid it looks like she's pregnant.
Please allow me. You're very funny.
Why are you laughing? I know what I'm saying because of the way she has been behaving recently.
Honestly, you're very funny. You're funny. How can you say that? I'm pregnant.
No problem.
How can a man get pregnant? It's not possible now.
Don't mind her. Don't mind her, my son. When I'm pregnant, does a man chase after a fellow man? What is the feminine qualities Mwab has in her that can attract a man?
I wonder. Papa, just ask her.
I wonder too. But I know what I saw. You say I said this. See, Mwab is pregnant.
All right, please allow me.
You're not a woman now.
No, change another topic. If you're not interested in it,
that must be.
But do you know a pregnant woman when you see her?
Sweetheart, I've been expecting you in my house all this while. I mean, why didn't you show up? Are you avoiding me? Huh? Oh, okay. Are you still angry over what happened the other day? And what happened?
Let me see. I really want to talk to you about something.
You know where to find me. You know, okay. Alright, let me guess. You miss me, right? Yeah, see it. Oh, why the tears? Well, but why are you crying? And why the tears?
Nelson, I'm pregnant.
You're what? Preg what? Huh? You... One person, let me tell you, okay? You cannot just pull those stunts. You can't pull such stunts on me.
Nelson, I am serious.
You're not serious. Just get out, let me pass. Just one mouth that I just did, only one mouth. It's not like I did it like I was enjoying it that much. It was a village flavor that I just wanted, that's all. Come on, call me my car.
Wabi is nothing but a slut in this village. Who doesn't know her?
Ola. Ola. Stop calling my sister a slut. Stop calling my sister a slut, oh. Stop calling my sister a slut, oh. Stop calling my sister a slut. Ola, stop calling my sister a slut. She is nothing but a slut. A professional one at that.
Okay. Very good. Ola, just make sure you repeat every single thing you just said in front of her when she gets back.
I said Wab is a slut. What will happen? Hey. If you like, go and call her. Ola. I will say it before her. Heaven will not break.
Wait. Let me summarize this. What do you people even take this to your sisters?
Did we ask for your opinion?
Eh?
Who invited you?
What people even take this to
Go
your sisters?
inside. This is women talk.
Is it as Hulk Hogan in America? Go up on Mike and Nanny. Go on ya. Go kill him. What you do?
Ikenna.
Go inside.
Ikenna, go inside.
Go inside.
Oh, you will not do anything.
Don't call my name.
Don't come to our house.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
I will not go anywhere.
Then our house, come and beat me. Come and beat me. Thank God she's back. Hey, sister, welcome. Sister, can you imagine Ikenna and Ola? Do you know what they've been saying?
These people, Ola and Ikenna, they've been gossiping with your name, calling you all sorts of things. That you're a slut. You don't want to say something.
Are you going inside?
Who called her name? Who called her name?
I don't even have your time.
Is her name Power Mike? Is her name Power Mike?
Okay.
Oh, Power Mike, that's there. Let her come out.
Why is she running?
Is her name Power Mike?
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Let me just go and finish what I'm doing inside.
Finish what?
Is her name Power Mike?
Come out! Where is a slut? Village Kesaya. Who doesn't know her?
What's going on? Why the mood?
Did anything happen over there?
Sister, this is the first time I'm seeing you in such mood. What happened? You're crying. What happened? You know you can always talk to us.
Say something. Did you fight with anyone?
Talk to us. Did anybody die? What is it? Talk to us. This is not you. Sister, where are you going to? Sister, what is it? What is going on, my sister? I've not seen her like that before. Is it the way Ikenna went talking and all her insulting her? She did not say anything. And now she doesn't want to talk to us.
Stop crying. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to her. Eh? When she calms down, she'll talk to us. You know,
Are you sure she's
talk to
okay?
us. It's okay. I'm here. Don't worry.
Okay.
Mom, when did you walk into my house?
I came to talk to you.
About what?
I wasn't joking when I said what I said. Nelson, I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant? That's no big deal. There are so many girls, so many single girls out there that get pregnant every day around the world. And you know what there is to the one and only solution, which is abortion.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm saying in that effect is that you just go back there, you go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy.
Unwanted?
Yes, unwanted.
What is that supposed to mean? Nelson, it's your child. Your child.
And what does that make you? The mother of my child? Wabu, you're funny. Just wake up.
I don't get you. You said you loved me. Nelson, you told me you love me.
I can't remember saying anything like that. Yeah, but even if I did, I mean, if I did, then it was a mistake. I mean, which man in his rightful senses will fall in love with something, a bush local girl like you? Tell me, which man in his right senses will fall in love with come on. You don't even have the qualities of the kind of girls I deal with in the city. You don't. And you expect me, Nelson. Oh, you think I'll lose my senses of judgment and fall in love with a local girl like you? God. Oh, yes.
You're actually saying this to me?
Yes, I am saying it to you. Well, if it were me, I will not hesitate to go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy. That is, if I was responsible for this pregnancy. But I'm not.
I won't.
You won't?
Never.
Never.
I won't do it.
Then suit yourself, keep the pregnancy, and get out of my house. You have called my name over 1,000,000 times, but that will not change anything. Leave my house. Leave my house or I'll be forced to push you.
Nelson, try it. Touch me, Nelson. Try it. Try it.
Just leave.
Nelson.
Mwabu.
Nelson.
Mwabu. Leave my house.
Hey, Mwabu nwannem. Mwabu nwanyoma. Mwabu. Ah, you're shedding tears. Mwabu, why are you shedding tears?
What is it? Eh? What is it?
Hey, what would have made the almighty Mwabu shed tears? This is serious. Talk to me now, it's me. Talk to me now, Mwabu.
Ah, what is your problem?
Mwabu shed tears. Huh. Mwabu crying.
What kind of problem is this? Eh? Mwabu gala putakwa mmadu. Did you see her? Oh. What kind of problem is this now? Eh? How can Mwabu be outside till now? be okay, oh. God, please protect my sister from me. Eh? Mabo. Sister. Where have you been? What happened? Come. Just come. Where have you been? Mabo, you look very sad. God, you're even crying. What exactly is going on? What is the problem?
Are you going to remain silent? We are your sisters, and you can share your pain with us. Sister, remember, a problem shared is half solved.
Mabo, please say something. Say something, I beg you. Leave her alone.
Oh, Mama, you can see that something is troubling her.
If she doesn't want to say anything, will you force her? Come here. Mama, we can't leave her in this condition. We can't leave her in...
Go and sleep. Let me sit down. Don't cry again, yeah? Mama, good night.
Achifo.
Ubuachi.
What troubles you?
Mabo, my name.
Do you know, I was the one that gave you that name. You know, I was a twin. But I lost my twin sister when we were young. But when your mother was pregnant, when she had you in her stomach, my twin sister appeared to me. Severally. And I knew she was trying to tell me that she was coming back. You can talk to me. But don't worry. If you don't feel like saying anything, don't say anything. Also, I understand. Your pain is my pain. You can talk to me. I can help you solve whatever problem it is. No.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Sorry, what? Sorry, forgive me.
I'm very, very sorry, Mama.
If you do so what the wrong, you can tell me.
Mama, I am
David, you're pregnant.
Hey!
Mama, what happened?
What is what?
You shouted. Go to bed.
Mama, she's still crying now.
You said no, Mama,
Go to bed. Mama, you guys she's crying. You are telling us to go and sleep.
You're going home, Azia.
This is not fair. You're telling us to go and sleep while our sister is crying. This is not fair. I'm sorry.
Why? How? Get on your name. Get on your tobale. Who got you pregnant?
Mama, the man responsible
is
rejected it, and he told me to go and remove it. He said I should abort it, Mama.
If you are put on a ban, so why? What if you will come to my room now? Tell me everything that happened. One more now. Let's go to bed.
What? Mwabu pregnant?
That is how I see it, oh my God. That is how I see it. Chai. Alaroma to when I didn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep. Keka mesila.
She is the least person I expect to be seeing men.
Huh?
If it were to be other of her sisters, I wouldn't have been so surprised. How did it happen?
I've been asking that same question. How did it happen? Who would have told me that Wabu of all people will get pregnant?
Who is the man responsible for the pregnancy?
She told me no, late Okoro Umweze's son. Magorundi Okoro Umweze of Umunka clan. Oh, you know, okay.
Oh, that young man. Does it mean something has been going on with him and our daughter? Eh? Besides, he doesn't live in this village now.
No. Wabu told me that he has been around, on around. Naturally, one man, nearly, now really. Eh? Hey! The boy denied the pregnancy.
Okay. What? Deny Guinea? Eh? Is he out of his senses? Does he know the family he is messing with?
The family.
Don't worry. I must do something. Young man, I don't understand what you are talking about.
What I'm trying to say is that I'm not trying to deny Wabu. Wabu is my friend. But what we've maintained is a casual relationship. Strictly platonic. That's it.
Nelson.
Yes? Wabu, did I touch you? Huh? Did I make love to you? Then how am I responsible for your pregnancy? How did I get you pregnant?
Young man, what? Are you trying to tell me you are not responsible for my daughter's pregnancy?
I'm not.
What you're saying is different from what my daughter told me. She told me that you accepted. You accepted this pregnancy.
Yes.
But you told her to take it out.
Also,
I'm talking this. Yes.
Mama, she's your daughter.
Yes.
So you choose to believe what she has told you.
Gracias.
She doesn't lie. Well, Mama, I have told you the truth and nothing but the truth. I am not responsible for that pregnancy. I am not responsible for it.
Yes, you're lying.
What? Wabu, leave him. Wabu, leave him.
Ask yourself. Did I touch you?
Did I touch your pants?
Leave him. Leave him.
Mama is lying.
Sit down. Sit down there. Young man, sit down. I said sit down.
He's lying, no. He's lying. Nelson.
Ah! Young man, do you realize what you are doing? And what you stand to face if you are finally found guilty of this offense?
Yes, I know the consequences. I know. And I am ready to swear before Ini Edo. I will swear to prove my innocence. I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. I'm ready.
Hi. Oh no, come.
My pregnancy that is not. I'm not responsible for it.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Bia. Ozugo.
Hold
He accepted before. He don't say that I should go and remove it. I don't know why he's lying. Hey!
No.
Hey! Olachi! Ola! Olachi! Oh, thank God. Come. Olachi, it has happened. That you said about one is right. About her pregnancy. You're right.
She's pregnant for real?
See, I had everything this afternoon. The worst of it all is that the guy that impregnated her denied everything. Now, this
is hot gist. We need to break it down.
It's a very big gist. He will give me food though.
This boy bulubia, osemo this and that, mpeteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka herande, obulime.
Oh, Olachi, I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Why are you calling my name? I'm not ready to go and fetch water for you. I'm hungry. I won't do anything.
Calm down, I am calling you to come and see a man that is pregnant for his fellow man. Some men are so stupid that they can't even differentiate between a real man, your fellow man, and a she man.
Look at the way she's walking like someone that just received Holy Communion. Innocent on the camera. Sometimes I wonder what men see in her. Look at her body like carpentry work.
Hey.
Some men can eat shit, eh? Look at the way she's just walking. Well, Holy Communion and Communion. Maybe if you receive Communion from this one or receive this one, you choose the one you call Holy Communion. Please, I'm hungry. I beg. I'm not.
Are you saying you have had it over with some people?
Oh, yes. Well, they came to me and they were expecting me to accept responsibility on the pregnancy. And I told them I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. And that's final.
So you want to tell me that you
News is everywhere in this village. Mom is pregnant.
News of what? News
of your sister's pregnancy. News of what?
Are you trying to pretend that you don't know your sister Nwabu is pregnant?
Let them tell us.
Ola, watch your mouth. Watch what you're saying because you'll be responsible for this. Ola.
Ola, talk to them. You're a graduate. You're a graduate. Talk to them.
Your sister is pregnant. Stop calling my sister's name. Stop calling Nwabu's name.
Sister, let's go. Leave them. It's not true. Just go. Leave them.
That we should stop calling Nwabu's name. I call your Nwabu's name. What will happen? You can just ship your uncle. Ask him to call him Nwabu's name. Don't make me do.
Nelson! Where's Nelson?
Nelson has gone back to the city.
When?
Early this morning. Why carrying cutlass?
Hey! Oh! Hey! God, you have seen it! God, you have seen the way Nelson has deceived me. In his mind now, he thinks he's smart. But I know he will not go unpunished. In fact, God, wherever he is, go there and punish him for me. Wherever he has run to, go there and punish him for me. If you have your way, punish him and punish him. And while you're punishing him, let him know that I'm the reason you're punishing him.
What exactly do you plan to do with your daughter now that the young man has denied responsibility of the pregnancy? Okay.
This God is a great father. Now that this boy has rejected pregnancy, I have decided that I am going to marry my granddaughter. Yes. We will perform the marriage rites immediately so that when she has that baby, child, son's child.
That is a great idea.
Okay.
Yes. What about Nwab? Have you discussed this idea with her?
Oh, not yet. That one would not be a problem.
You plan to keep this away from Obiano, right?
Yes, of course. Honey, he needs not have any knowledge of what we're planning. I will surprise him.
Odemeto, Odema. That is exactly what he deserves. I will carry this message to the rest of the Umuna. I will do that.
Mweke. Onya kanji pumakai.
I will do that.
Is it true? Mwab, is it true? Eh? Mwab, is it true what I heard? Mwab, say something now. It's your mama. Eh? Mwab, no problem. You have your life to live. Live it the way you want.
Obiano, what exactly are you talking about?
Ijenna, I am only trying to thank you for hiding it away from me for a long while.
Keeping what away from you?
It's a pity that something will happen in this compound. Outsiders will know about it before me. But all the same, you should know again that outsiders should not let you know that bastards are not tolerated in this family, in this compound.
It is my business. Let me deal with it.
It's my business, so you and your daughters are shameless. You want to rub mud on the good image we have built here. Our family has built. But all my men.
Family.
It cannot happen.
It's a family. Oh, Chabukwa. When matters like this arise, but when it comes to things like cash crops, farmland, lands, we become total strangers.
Because our tradition does not permit women to own a land or cash crops. Yes. See the person we are talking about. See her. The shameless she-goat. Shameless she-goat, Mwabu. See. Mwabu, you and your grandmother have vowed to bring shame and ridicule to this family. And all my men, you have failed. Make sure you carry this sin that is in your womb to the man who put it there.
Baba, she doesn't have a womb. Oh. I'm sure that thing could possibly be in one of her intestines. Or do men have womb?
Hey! I know one thing.
Yes, no, men don't have womb. I
know one thing. Hey! I know one thing.
After everything, Owadim, he didn't even bother to tell me. He deceived me. He forced me. I lost my virginity to him, Mama. Kai, I am so stupid. So stupid.
Stop blaming yourself. What has happened has happened. He made a mistake, yes, but everyone is prone to make a mistake. Stop worrying too much. I am here for you. I will never leave you.
Mama, I will abort this pregnancy.
You see, abort Guinea?
I will remove it.
Bao, I'm not going to take abortion. Keep this baby. You will have this baby. I will look after this baby. Not even now, why?
What do you mean, Mama? What do you mean I should keep the pregnancy when the father has rejected it? Bao, I will abort it.
Mama, second Bao. I'm not going to take abort. I will keep this child. If the father does not want the child, Mama to die, it is okay. If he does not want his child, no problem. Naija is here. I will take the baby. I will bring up the baby as my own. I will never abandon you. Not even now, well.
Mama, what does that mean to me and my future? So, you want me to be a single mother? Mama, single mother? God forbid. I will not do it. I will remove it.
What happened? Please, I beg you. Keep this child. Keep it for me. At least I will bring up the child as my own. No. Don't worry. I will take care of the child. Oh, please, if you have to sell your tomato, I will sell them for you. Just relax and have this baby. Only more. Mom! What are you hiding? Okay, Kinezo. Mom! Mom, what do you think you're doing? You want to abort this baby?
Mama, give me. I can't keep it. Mama, give me. I can't keep it. Mama, I can't keep it.
Mom, you want to kill my child?
Your child? Mama, what do you mean by that?
See, all the marriage traditional rites have been performed on your head. You are now to stay back in this family and bear children for the family. Yes, now, that young man denied this baby. So this baby is now part of this family. You cannot abort it.
Mama, please tell me you're joking. Mama, because in a man, I am not
joking. All the women has, they all know. They all know. They don't know. It's a secret.
And you kept it a secret from me too, Mama. Mama! Jesus, Mama, how can you do a thing like that to me? How? Is that your plans for me? Mama, so that is your plan for me? Are you that selfish? Mama, you only think about yourself! You always think about yourself!
Mbano, it's not about me. It's about your father. It's about your father. Okay, if all you girls marry and go away, Mama will die. Obiano will take over everything. this for him. Okay. Is it about taking care of the child? More than that. I will take care of the child. Eh? Even though the breast is all shrunken and everything, oh yeah, where? Let me tell you something else. I have money. Don't know what is that I kept inside. The roof. You see that big roof? Don't worry. You will still look young. No.
Now, hotel manana, hotel this. Hey, open, dodge. Good man. Hey. Now, give it to me. Why I didn't bring this? Take this one. Hey.
Chiki, when I heard the news about Wabu's pregnancy, I was so surprised. I even thought you are the one that did it.
See, if I'm the one responsible, then why am I complaining? Did you know that Wabu does not offer me the opportunity of talking to her, let alone touching her? She found a city guy. She now decided to parade herself around with the guy.
Hey!
Mezema abandoned.
But that is so stupid of that idiot.
Very stupid.
Eh? Could you believe that whenever a man comes around that Wabu, the grandmother will stand up and walk without walking stick? Yeah? Why is it that most girls are like this? They don't appreciate men. Yeah, you know, guys that love them. Why?
I imagine.
Yeah, I don't know. They just allow themselves to be deceived by paupers. Look at how she fell to that idiot. That idiot was able to penetrate into her, bamboozled her, away, and just left her just like that. Yeah?
I don't believe that. But that serves her right, yeah? That serves her right. One thing I know for sure is that I will make that idiot pay for ruining Wabu's life. When next he steps his foot into this land, he must pay for all these things.
That is it. I support you. In fact, supported. You understand me? Guy, forget it. That guy is an idiot. I can personally deal with that guy. In fact, any day that idiot set his idiotic leg into this village. Chike, you have my number. Call my phone. Call my phone! Let me do with it.
That's how they come from the city with their stupid city of physics and scatter the plans we have in this village. Imagine in a Merem city guy.
See, I am from the city. I might not be around when he comes. By then, I might have gone back to the city as a musician. I'm not busy. Come on phone! Come on phone! Let me deal with him. What they call in the city is woman squad. If you come to what I'm not talking. If you come to Fege, what they call me there is Ikoro. And they make madu go. That is why they call. If you make mention of Udo, it take you go. Once you come there, call anybody that you're looking for Ikoro.
The problem I'm having with you is that now, your number. How many lines do you have? Your number there agaga. You
won't blame me. As a city guy, you have too many, but you have my private number. Call me on that one, my friend. Call me on that one. You don't want to call? Call me and let me deal with that guy. That's idiot. Oh, idiot.
Udo, calm down.
Oh, Oluchi. First, Oluchi herself, she said idiot. Oluchi, idiot.
Yeah, I thought you had planned to reach.
Oh, somebody have very good intention. To settle the good. Treat her like a queen. She thinks she's not a queen again. But because I got so intoxicated with my musical career. Open the watch on my voice. I can't go into it because I be said again. But the girl,
the rapper.
The girl felt that I'm not giving her much attention. Feels the general that idiot.
How can you marry? It's Diego. Stop it. Don't insult him. Look at his cap. You know how much this cap is sold? Then get cap.
Oh, what are you talking? I'm a musician. You want to play with musicians? That girl has no
atom of discipline. Because if she has endured, forget it. It is a musical contract. No idiot. Odogu. No, I'm in a meeting. Get it. Oh, you don't know music. This is what they call music. Sure, forget it. See, come to the final. Let me just keep two of you now. If you want to know, I have show this. You know how much I'm paid?
Ego ne kana koge.
For one show.
I have a show. Where?
At Ndiago.
Town hall.
Exactly. Go. I know there. Come there, 5,000 guys will be there. You know how much I'm paid? I mean, yes. You know what I mean? Hey.
I've thought about everything you said, and I have decided to keep the pregnancy. I have decided to stay back and give my father the male child he never had, by the grace of God. Since Oluchi is already engaged and will soon join her husband, let me stay so that my father's lineage will continue. Do you know I was the one that gave it? When they gave birth to you, I looked into that pretty face and I told myself, this is my sister. Only I have one name. And I gave you that name. I have one name. I knew you would never let me down. And never. One never. Oh, one never.
should go. Oh, go and bring the ball. Nadia, there. You must go home. Oh, nobody there. Oh, in the evening you come and play ball. Oh, then you learn the hobby.
My hobby.
Ibere go di okunisi. Which one is your hobby?
Wow, my hobby. My husband. He bought me the car.
What a me joke. Hey! It's so fine.
Hey! Cassie! Hey! Come here. It's my boy, you. Mama, he's looking so big.
Nah, I'll call my daughter there. I don't want.
Oh, Cassie, I've missed you. What are you people feeding him?
Feeding him? Oh, Papa. Ne. Toto. Ebe mo lo. Ebe pasi mi apopo. Nye. Tapia. Ewe nsisi okwa. Ewe nyezi anya mmiri. Onwo daga. Nya na nye. Ewe balance sia. We lo kwa anwa
Gawe biko.
Okwa nya bo kwa. Azu oponko. Nya azu asa. Otosia. Nkebia, I will cook it for you.
Mama is so grown. Oh. See my baby. Oh. See my prince. Wabo. You know one, no?
Now.
Very good.
Mama.
Let's go. After you come and get all the things from me. I won't let you.
Olachi. Ha! This one he came back today. We weren't expecting you. I hope all is well. Well, I hope you are not here to beg for money because there's no money at home. Papa does not have any money in the house. My work, you know my work, as a molar, block molar. I don't know what is happening in this community. As if they ring bell, bam, so everybody to stop building houses. We the molars will not be doing anything. Man, about the ones that call which way? Go and drop your bag inside.
Now I decided to take you people by surprise. Okay, wait. Who owns this guy?
Oluchi, of course. I overheard her telling her family members that her husband bought it for her.
Eh? Oluchi's husband bought this car for her.
Are they not the same thing?
That means the car belongs to Oluchi now.
That the husband bought it for her. Honestly, I never knew that her husband is this rich. You know, I've not looked at it very well since. It's Honda. For her husband to buy her this type of car, that means the man is loaded. He's rich.
Biko, where is Papa?
Papa, I don't even know. Papa, the last time I checked, I overheard him saying I was rushing for community meeting. I don't know. Biko, come there, go drop your distance. There's nothing in the house. So biscuits. Can you share by video? There's nothing in the house. Let me check something outside.
Sister, so your husband got you that beautiful.
He even promised to buy a bigger one for me when I put to bed. And I can't wait to lay my hands on it. It's Colonia.
Yeah. Oh, Olena Suzuka for me. I can't wait to get the cat on the cash. Yeah. Now township Makabiko.
Hey, you don't stop to make me laugh. I see. Wow. I see you all are looking good. You're looking so fine and I'm happy about it.
Oh, Kwachukuo. It's God. Thank God.
And hi. I thank God for your condition. 4 years ago, hi, my enemies were laughing at me.
Seriously?
So, you mean they are gossiping already?
Sister, I don't need to tell you what they've been saying about you and your husband.
Jesus.
It was Uncle Obiakpo and his useless kids that started it.
That family. They are not tired yet. So he's still alive.
I
beg, what of Olachi? Is she engaged yet?
Oh, but also not only engaged here, engage him also.
That one, she has been jumping from one man's house to another.
Okay, fine.
University, she did not complete.
I'll pass.
Even job, she doesn't have.
Okay, he mean by that. What do you mean by she doesn't have a job? It's prostitution, not a job. Hey. She has a good job.
Wow, boy, danger.
Akati. Oh, if I need to, Akati Kolo. Let us leave all this one about Akati. If they are family, let us talk about more important things. If I'm to Talani, Nemo, Dikeh for you, this is your pregnancy. Tell me how the baby kicks you, so that I will tell you if it's a boy or a girl.
Obameba. Oh, Obakwasime Benka.
Ukwu esiri ike ọ na-agbasi ike. Footballer! Footballer!
Mama!
Oh my God.
Yo, Mom.
Nelson, what is the meaning of all this? What is this recent change of behavior of yours? Must you always come back home drunk? Huh?
What? Mom, I didn't even drink today. You know what I need right now? I need to go out there to my goddamn room.
Oh my God.
And have a peaceful sleep. You know what I mean by a peaceful sleep? I know you know what I'm talking about, Mom.
No. Nelson, no! This has got to stop, Nelson! This has got to stop!
Hey, when is your husband coming to visit us again? Honestly, I miss that handsome young man.
You miss what? You miss my husband.
Is that
what you're saying? Hey, I'm
Anyway, my husband is fine and he sends his regards. Where is Cassie?
That one. He's with grandma inside. Those two are always together.
She told him that much.
Sister, you haven't seen anything yet. They are inseparable, like I told you.
Oh my God. I'm so happy for her. I'm happy for her. What of Uncle Obia? Is he aware?
No, nobody told him no.
Oh, that means he still troubles you guys over the marriage issues.
Yeah.
It's worse now.
Hey.
Now he's laying claims over
Oka, orange, even broomstick.
In fact, I have never seen a man that is as shameless as that man. Let us not spoil our night with his gist because
One name one. Pregnancy is so
Thank you. All thanks to my husband. Because when I was pregnant, he never told me I was looking beautiful. Jealousy. Yeah, Pasha.
Now it's the same thing. Both of you are looking very pretty.
Wow.
Pasha. Pasha.
In fact, you're very beautiful too.
I'm gonna go see where the people.
Don't worry.
Very soon to be ready. Just special delicacy.
received a phone call that my son had an accident and was rushed to the hospital. Please, can I see him now?
Yeah, we have an accident victim here. And he's in the emergency ward. The doctor is attending to him right now.
You mean my son is alive?
Yeah, he's alive.
Can I see him now?
Yeah, you can. Just like I said, the doctor is attending to him. Please sit down. I assure you he'll be very fine.
What do you think you're doing? Eh? Go and get that boy.
It's not as if I'm going to harm this little boy. I have nothing against him. Eh? He's a stranger in this compound. Remember?
What are you trying to say this afternoon?
I only want to know your plans for this boy. When are you taking this boy back to his true father? When?
It is none of your business. I will take him to his father when I feel like it.
I only want to remind you the importance of doing this as he's growing up here, not knowing whom his true father is.
Mansago Waf, I will not answer you.
Let the boy know his true father.
Now come, let's go inside.
Take him to his true father.
Madam, calm down, okay? Be strong.
Be strong?
Your son is a strong man. Else he wouldn't have survived this fatal accident.
Oh my God.
We have stabilized his condition now. He'll be fine, okay? Though I will later run some tests on him.
Test? You suspect anything?
No, not really. I'm just following medical procedures. Let me see other patients.
Leave me alone! My son! Oh my God.
Is it true that Obiano said all this?
You have not even heard half of it. If I'm okay, that man has nothing good to say about my family.
So he has no slightest knowledge about what is on ground.
Yeah. He doesn't know anything. Hey, if he had known, if you got that man, he's wicked. He would have done anything possible to spoil what we're planning.
I see. Don't you think it's high time he knows?
No.
Huh?
He doesn't need to know anything. That man is wicked. Afotale Amini. He has dealt with my family. You know what I intend to do? I want to surprise him. Or eventually, actually surprise him.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Mr. Nelson, I want you to take this thing I'm going to tell you as a man. Life is full of circumstances, but with the help and grace of God, it will be restored. Okay?
As you can see, Doctor, I have taken it.
No.
No, I don't know.
What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here? Please leave this compound. Get out.
Please just hear me out.
Hear you, Gene. Wait, what do you want to tell me? Gene Kichegwam. If you have come to tell me or make me know that you had an accident, I have seen it. Oh, sorry, but it's not my business. Get out.
What I told before. There's something more important than that. I gave my son, our son.
Our Guinea. Our Guinea. Our. You are very, very stupid. Please get out of this compound. Yeah? Now.
Nebiko, listen to him now. Look at his condition now. Please.
Young man, what did I hear you say? You said that boy is your son.
Yes, sir.
Hey, where have you been all the while? We have been expecting you.
Who has been expecting? Yeah? Nobody has been expecting you. In fact, you don't have any business in this compound. And then you are picking now. Mind your business. Mind your business, so.
Tradition demands that the boy is his whenever he comes for you. See, young man, go and come with your people and perform some necessary rites. You take your child with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's a thank you, sir. In fact, I don't want to see you in this compound by the time I come out again.
Wabo, please, can I talk to you, please? Please, can I talk to you, please?
I don't want to see you.
Please.
Don't come here.
Okobole, Molly, come, let's go.
Wait, what exactly is Uncle Obiano's business?
Don't mind that evil man. He thinks he knows what he's doing, but he's going to meet a big surprise.
Of course now. Hey, I didn't tell them anything.
Trust you.
Let him come with his people. Yalla.
And how do you think he will feel when he finally finds out the truth?
He will feel exactly the way I want him to feel. That man doesn't know what is waiting for him.
Mama, I actually like the way things are playing out. Which about my favorite.
Oh, wow. Obiano, you have fever.
And you kept this away from me all these years? Nelson, how could you? How could you do this? Nelson, if you don't need the child, I need the child. At least you should have told me about it in the first place.
I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
I know you are. But that does not change the fact that you acted so stupidly, Nelson. Nelson, I thought you said you care about mommy. I thought you said you love mommy. And you never hurt me.
I do.
Oh, shut up, Nelson. You do not have the slightest idea how I feel right now. You don't.
I do, Mom. I do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. Really sorry. Oh, please just forgive me. Forgive me, Mom. All I want from you right now is for you to accompany me. Accompany me to go and see her. See her and her family. Mom. I need my son.
Oh my God.
I need my son. I'm a fool, I know. But I need my son. Mom, I need my son. I need him.
The truth is that none of us had the slightest knowledge of this until he came to us a few days ago and confessed everything.
Are you sure he confessed everything? Because if he did, I believe you people will not have any reason to be here today. Huh?
Ichi, I don't understand.
You don't understand? Your child didn't tell you that he denied that he never had any intimate affairs with my daughter.
Plateau? Plateau.
Hey, Nelson, is that what you told them?
But that is not the issue here. Whether he was responsible or not responsible, the lady in question has been traditionally and legitimately married to this family.
Hey!
To stay here and bear children on behalf of her late father, who had no male child before his death. So your son, Nelson, here, was only used as a tool to fulfill this obligation. It's a lie. It's a lie. That never happened.
It did happen. Okay. But we decided to keep it away from you because of the kind of person you are.
Yeah.
What we are saying is that every elder of this community knows about it. Hey! And was part of the rite performed by Dikeh on behalf of man. the Igwe was also present. So if you have your doubt, you are free to meet the Igwe. That is all.
It's impossible. Such thing cannot happen in this family without my consent.
Oh my God, man!
Huh?
Listen, we also kept it secret from you because we know that that is the best thing that can happen to Ijena's family. Well, I'm sorry that you are just finding out now.
Are you saying that the child in question is a legitimate son of this family?
Yes! Yes.
Your son here was so naive. He thinks he's a notorious womanizer and that he can go around and mess up with any woman that comes his way. So sorry.
Nelson! Look at what you've done to yourself now.
What was the loss?
Hey! Impossible! Huh? This cannot happen as long as I am alive.
But it has happened! Oh my God, man!
Hey! Hey, Mweke! Is that why you sneak into this family?
Stop shouting on us, oh!
Who are you? Is that why people come here?
What? Stop shouting on anybody here!
Nonsense! Nonsense! It cannot happen. Okay, yeah, man. Useless human being. Eh? Nonsense! Oh God, Sinaro, what is your If not because I'm a gentleman.
So, Ijenna strategically planned this and successfully hid it away from me. So, no. I will show you that I'm a man. No. Hi.
I'm sorry, Mom. So sorry. I'm sorry, Mom. I never knew things were going to turn out this way. I never bargained for all this. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm truly sorry. Sorry. Mom, I said I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry, Mom. Forgive me. Oh, I'm sorry.
Ah, nah. Are you playing?
Yes.
Ah, good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You are a good boy. Eh? Uncle got biscuit. Eh? Take it and eat because you are a very good boy. Eh?
I'll eat in the after I finish playing.
Eh? That is good. That is good. Make sure you eat it alone. Do not share it with anybody. Eh? Uncle bought it alone for you. And you have to eat it alone. Okay? Ah, boy. Go on, go.
Cassie. Cassiam! Cassiam Obi!
Uncle Obiano gave me.
Uncle Obiano? The one outside? Gave you this biscuit? Give me. Don't ever collect anything from him. Even if he forces you, say no. Obiano is a very wicked man. Do you understand what I'm saying? Come and sit here. Sit. Hey! Obiano. You will not kill any of my children again. Except Monobro Chukumwanya Kanefe. Don't worry, eh? I'll buy biscuits for you. Achacha. Eh? Mandena so. Mandela netini fenetiti. You go now. Just one enough.
Eat it now. Eat it. You have not told me why you summoned this emergency meeting. Yes.
Obiano, this meeting was called so that you can tell us when you can share the land between you and Ijena's son. Because it has come to our notice that the problem we are having in this family was because of the land and cash crops. So it will be better that you share it so that peace can reign among you.
That is true. Do people know what you are talking about?
Yes.
When did women started sharing or having land in our community? When? When now? It cannot happen. No. Obiano, what are you talking? Eh? What are you talking? Have you forgotten that Ejena now has a son? You have to share the land
handily so that the boy will have his own portion of the land.
That is why we are here.
That is it.
Fear.
That is it.
Fear what?
Oh, is that your plan? This is conspiracy. You want me to share my land with that kid? No, it cannot happen. Mama.
Yes, Obiano. You have no choice. You were looking for a male child to share land with. Now you have seen one, and you are hesitating. Why are you hesitating? Ihina Tonukenu is Banukana. Igenna now has a son. It cannot happen.
Agwara m unu na ihe enweghị ike ime n'obodo a.
Hey, myself to share my land with a bastard. A bastard. No, I will never. It cannot happen. Oh, man,
it will happen. Oh, game, Hey. Bia. Obiano. Watch what you say about a son of the soil. Eh? Are you hearing me? Because the Igwe will not be merciful to you at all. Bam!
That is true.
For calling a true son of this family and land a bastard. Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Look, whether you were or no or hungry, that's like you. I don't care. He is a bastard and he remains a bastard. And I have nothing to share with him. Yes. Do you know the tradition of this land? What are you talking about?
What do you know about tradition? You Obiano. What do you know?
It is the tradition that we are telling you.
Look at Obiano.
Look, I don't just understand. It's better you.
What? When the time comes, you will know the true tradition.
You don't know what you are saying.
But okay, let me see gender.
You push me. No wonder. For this, oh, if I get you people here again, knife. Rubbish. Nonsense. Ah, can't get the kingdom car. Can't the trouble on that ship, but if you care about. Oh, when I born a jet, nonsense. I'm a male. Cannot happen here.
Binigwe. Ọ gị nwakwara anyị na Psalm 23. Abụ ọma 23. Anyị nwa bụ ụmụ atụrụ, nwa bụ onye nche anyị. Ị na-edu anyị. Isi na ị ga-enye anyị ife ọbụla anyị chọrọ n'ụwa. Isi na ị ga-enye anyị ihe anyị ga na-eli ndị ilu anyị anọlụ na-ekiri anyị ma ọ nwere ifefa ga-eme. Nna Binigwe isi anyị gaba. Na onwe ife ọbụla dị n'ụzọ ị ga-akụpụ ya. Maka na ị ga na-edu anyị. Ụkwụ ama nkwụ anyị because na ọ gị nwa bụ Chukwu anyị na-efe.
Jenna. Brought a bastard to come and challenge you. No, it will end this night. Kasi Mobi, it must end this night. It will go this night.
What happened?
behind me?
What is that? What is it? Hey! No. And I want more than I want.
Protect Tanya Kona Ganiru. You might fit you over to this family.
Your son, I killed him and his wife.
He said he killed
Ijenna, I tried to kill him, but it wasn't possible. Hey! Hey! Kastemobi! I've tried to kill him so many times, but he failed. I decided to kill him this night, and that's what brought me here now. Jesus. Hey! Here now. Jesus. Hey! Hey! Ikenna! Hey, Ikenna! See this family. Oh, people should respect Ikenna. She's a great woman. She's a great woman. Hey! Ikenna! Oh! Ikenna! Oh! See the family. Look after my children. Hey!
But why are you saying all this? Saying all this. Papa, see, I will take care of the family, but
Papa, are you joking?
Papa.
But you're joking, oh. You're joking, Papa. Wake up, wake up.
Papa.
Bia. Why is it that every time you be walking with your shoulder raised? What is swelling your head, sir? Why are you behaving as if na pass guard run and book on it? Eh? Listen, big boys like me don't have all the time to be following village girls like you around.
Emeka, I hate you and your guts. Have you ever seen a big boy in your life? You're here claiming big boy. Don't you know that big boys don't talk to girls anyhow? Big boys are humble. You're here claiming big boy and big boy. Your white mouth.
Yeah, mind the way you insult the biggest boy in this local government. Listen, I can feed you. That your old one-eyed grandmother. Even that your sister that you people have turned to a village goat. Come now, no one no
Emeka, how many times did I call you? You are an idiot. A stupid fool. The next time you dare stop me again, he could quad this.
Do you realize who you are talking to? Are you mad? Bro, talking. Wait. Oh. What are you doing with my sister? You think she don't have a brother like me? Okay? What did you do?
No, Emeka.
What did you do?
I don't do anything, no. You just anytime you see me, you just stopping me.
You didn't do anything to him? Did you touch another?
No, brother, you just
I can't tell him, man. What is your problem? What are you? Yeah, go. Are you mad? What did my sister do to you? Go out. Just like that. You never put there. See, I will follow you anywhere you're going. Today, any day you want to go to the street, call me. I will join you. Give me my clothes. Let's go. I'm good. Tell me the truth, sir. Adugo. Are you sure you didn't touch you any other place? Let me see. Are you sure you didn't touch you any other place? Tell me the truth. Let them make a run. Tell me the Adugo. Tell me the truth. Are you sure you won't put about the Maka? Maka kitten. Let him run. No. No. Wait. Is your leg not paining you? No. Emeka. No problem. Emeka, my sister. My sister, no problem.
Yeah. It's okay. I'm happy with the way things have turned out. Let us forget about the quarrels, the fight, everything. You are my brother. Inuko. So let's just live
like one happy family. You go all that to your sister. We have a support.
Kasi, one of the yeah. Okorobia. Kasi, you're my brother. My brother for life. Mama.
Oh,
the life
you people go to that your wretched house. Eh? But then no, there's space here. 2 empty rooms. Eh? You move in here and stay. No, I can't go. Coco.
Hey! You know Oluchi is no longer living with us now, eh? So you can pack into her room.
I got one way. I will change you. You will stop wearing them.
Yeah, Richard, I knew it. I can't believe this. I told you. See those clothes? Designers. This is the red one. Zara. Designers. Yes.
Don't worry, I'll give you that one.
You give me? I knew it. That guy is an angel. Huh. You mean you received your salary today and an angel showed up today? Are you serious? Kata!
He said next weekend he's going to show me the ocean. I'm going to see an ocean first time in my life.
Seriously? That's nothing. Because I say that often.
As for me, it is. Just feeling good,
Well, Michelle? I've been thinking. I've just been thinking. Just thinking.
Of what?
Today's Friday, right? Why don't we do clubbing? Just to relax and chill, nothing. Hey, that will help you to meet people, see places. I mean, forget the village and my girl thing.
Well, as for me, I don't know how to dance.
When you have somebody like me, I will teach you, help you step. Meanwhile, let us relax a bit, okay? Maybe we'll take over by say 12. That'll be fine with me. Okay. So we have a deal now. Ocean baby.
My first salary. So, finally, I can earn salary without passing through those stress I passed through in the village, just to feed and pay my siblings' fees. God, thank you.
Adane, my daughter, you're welcome. You're back. So how did it go?
Fine, Mama. Michael, thank you. Michael helped us.